And guys, just got done calculating math for the farm. I'm just chilling here, just relaxing in this office. Never been in an office before, but just got done calculating math and got my switch. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever the video starts. Hey guys, welcome back to Curtis Farms. Hope you're all having a good day. If you're all, leave a like, comment, subscribe. So today, we're out in the garden. We're gonna be pulling some weeds, doing some other things out here too. So you see all the weeds. I'm not gonna be able to get all of them. I got most everything that was all right here. There was a straight path of weeds. Got them out, got some of these weeds pulled. Pretty much all the weeds that I get, I'm gonna throw in the wheelbarrow and then dump it in the trailer. All right guys, so that's half a load of weeds. It's half of this row, half of that row, and half of the third row. The last pile was this. We still have to pull out all this stuff down this row and that row. The corn, we just let that grow because corn, you know, grows taller than the stuff does. All right, guys, so we're trying to pull weeds. Like, look at that. A lot of weeds. We're just trying to pull weeds out between everything so it grows. So it all grows better. I'm not going to be filming the whole process of this because it'll take a long time. So I'll see you guys in a little while once we get everything done. So this trailer will be fuller, and yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching Curtis Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.